Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chili. You will need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1/4 cup of green bell pepper, 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 2 stalks of celery, 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 15-ounce can of chili beans, 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Set your slow cooker to its brown setting, then add the olive oil. If your slow cooker does not have a browning setting, then this step can be done in a frying pan. Now add your onion, celery, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, jalapeno, and garlic, then saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add your ground beef, then season with the salt and pepper, then allow your ground beef to brown. Now add the diced tomato and tomato paste, then mix until well combined. Add the kidney beans, chili beans, and beef broth, then continue mixing until well combined. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe and other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Season with your cumin, oregano, and chili powder, then mix well. Change your slow cooker setting from brown to slow cook, then allow it to cook on high for 2.5 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft.